if you're looking to put a screen on your iPad super easily and lined up perfectly, you're going to want to check this out. So this is exactly what this looks like. This is probably one of the coolest things I've seen. So this is what you're going to get. You're going to get two of these screens right over here. They come packaged just like this. So they come wrapped up. Really nice. So what all you have to do right here is you're going to take this. There's 3 holes over here. There's 3 holes up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to literally put that just like that. You're going to want to clean your iPad screen. Make sure it's dry and get all that stuff done. And then literally what you're going to do here is you're going to put this just like that. And you're going to fold this over just like this. What you're going to do is you're going to pull this out just like that, and then you're going to put your hand on here and press down just like that for 40 seconds, and then you're going to remove it and you're going to be good to go. Love the fact that they have the press, they have everything done for you. You don't have to worry about it not lining up or anything like that. So if you're looking for a great protective screen for your iPhone or your iPad, it's easy to put on, comes with a kit, an easy installation guide, definitely check this out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.